Welcome to part one of a two-part series. Join me today as we use this fun art tape and texture paste to create a wavy piece of art. Now, let's dive in. The first step is to seal the wood, and I'm going to use a gloss fluid medium by Liquitex. And once that's dry, we're ready for some paint. So the technical name for this fun art tape is art tape. I got it from Amazon. It's a 1/4 inch wide and it comes with a variety of different widths, and it is sure fun to use. And my helpful hint for you at this point would to be make sure that you let that tape overlap over the edges so that when you put the paste on top, you can find the edge of the tape to pull it off. On to our texture paste. My paste today was created with using some modeling paste, some tile adhesive, and some white acrylic paint. Now, the best texture paste around is unfortunately the one that works best for you. So you just have to do some experimentation to find what you like. To make today's waves, I'm going to use, yes, a hair pick. I found it at one of the dollar stores and the results turn out so nice. If you're enjoying today's video, please splash that like button and click the bell. That way you never miss a video. Now this is our dried result. It did take a couple days to dry, so my paste was probably a little thick. And as you can see, it gave kind of a funky additional design when I pulled that tape up. But personally, I kind of like it because it adds character. Add a little extra to this before I paint it. I'm gonna add a stripe or 2 or 3 or 4 with washi tape, and the width on this is a 1/8 inch. Also, just make sure you leave some tape off of the edge so you can pull it off just like before. My gesso is dried, and I'm going to give this piece an ombre look, going from white to a darker gray. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, splash the like button, click the bell, and we can make art together. I decided to use a Posca marker in silver to line those pieces where I just took the tape off of, but you could get creative and use some different colors like even a blue or a hot pink if you wanted. Now don't go anywhere because our outdoor reveal is next. Let's look at those close-up details and pan back to see the whole thing. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself and you're inspired to try some texture paste art for yourself. I invite you to join the SeaRoxx family. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. You can find me on other social media platforms, as well as my website and my Etsy shop. The second part of the series will be out shortly. Thanks for watching. Until next time, go beach or go home.